Hi, my name's Steve. Today I'm here to show you how to repair a hole in your sheetrock. These are spackle knives. This is like a 2.5 inch knife and this is a 6-inch knife. I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to outline or make a pencil mark about the size of the hole in the sheetrock. I'm going to take a square, square it off. Like that, and then at the top. Okay, now I'm going to take my razor knife. I'm going to cut out the hole, square it off. You might have to score through it a couple times. You might want to put a drop cloth down not to make a mess. Remove the broken sheetrock. Definitely want to use drop cloth. And if there's any excess sheetrock, just peel it away. Okay, and you take the razor knife and you're going to clean up the edges. Remove all the excess debris. Okay. I'm going to take my sheetrock and I'm going to eye it up, leaving about 1.5 inches on either side of your cutout. Just about 1.5 inches here, 1.5 inches here. Okay, I'm going to make a mark. Take my square. Okay, I'll cut that, score it on the front, snap it back cut it. Okay, now that we have the width, we'll get the height, again the same thing, leaving it 1.5 inches to either side. I'll just move it over. Judge it that way. Okay. Again, taking my square, lining up the score marks. Okay. Taking my sheetrock knife, score it again, snap it, back score it. Okay. Now I'm going to take the sheetrock on the back side. I'm going to make my mark about 1/8 of an inch to the inside of the line. I'm just going to score straight down. Snap the back of it. Peel the sheetrock off. And I'm going to make the same thing, leaving about 1/8 of an inch. Scoring it straight down. I mean, if you want, you could use a straight edge, but you don't think you need to. Okay, now the same thing I'm going to do on the height. I'm going to mark both sides, there and there, leaving about 1/8 of an inch to either side. Snap it off, peel it, snap it off, peel it. So you're leaving excess paper around the sheetrock patch, so that's your actual that's going to act as your tape, and then you're going to dry fit it if you have to make any adjustments. There we go. So it should fit in the hole just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take my joint compound and my spackle knife and I'm going to mix it up. You don't really want to have any excess sheetrock, any clumps in it, so you want to mix it well. I'm going to take the compound and I'm going to basically apply the compound around the hole. And it doesn't have, you don't have to be too neat about this because it's all going to be smoothed out later. Okay, so once it's all the way around, you're gonna try to cover like about a 2-inch area around the hole. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take my sheetrock patch that I made, and I'm gonna put it in the hole. Okay. Take my compound knife, and I'm gonna just work my way around the patch. Okay, pulling all the excess compound out. Okay, if there's any like pulls or runs in it, I'm gonna pull the opposite way. Okay. Alright, so that's basically your first coat. Then you would come back when it's dried, and you're gonna apply another coat around it. Usually I wait till it's dry, but right now I just want to, for the demonstration, and see you got a clump in there. I want to take that out. Don't put it back in the compound. Get rid of that. Basically, just going to pull the compound around. I'm just going to coat it. And each layer, or each time you come back for another coat, you're going to come back with a wider knife, and you're going to try to pull out all the compound around, and basically you're just going to try to coat it. Get another clump in my compound. Alright, you see it covers over the patch. Alright, you're going to come back for 3 coats. And at the 3rd coat, you're going to sand out lightly. Some people like to use a sponge so it doesn't create dust. That's fine as well. Hair in there. That's about it. I mean, I'll come back on another coat, and I'll basically do the same thing. That's it. That's how you do your sheetrock repair.